Hi guys, Chelsea fans. It's Timo Werner shots during Chelsea training yesterday. Let's quickly go down to Timo Werner training yesterday. He was incredible. Timo Werner himself. He had a couple of shots, and this is what Chelsea fans this is what we'll be expecting of him on Monday Night Football as Chelsea travels to Brighton to face them in the Premier League Open. Timo Werner was wonderful yesterday, scoring a couple of goals in training, and I know that this guy will give us this as it is happening right now. All Chelsea fans all over the world will be very, very excited, just like me. I'm so much happy right now with the kind of team we have got with Timo Werner and a couple of them places and many more. Chelsea have signed complete 7 players so far this season. I will be giving you the names of all the signings that Chelsea have made this season. With respect to time, you are going to know their names, the amounts, and their previous club and country. Alright guys, Timo Werner scored a couple of goals in Chelsea training today. Don't go anywhere. This is Dynamic TV. Subscribe for more Chelsea news.